Hi there. I'm Elon Musk, and I'd like to share some of my time management strategies that have helped me throughout my career. Time is arguably our most precious resource, and it's crucial to make the most of it. So let's dive right in.
Time blocking. Time blocking has been a game changer for me. It involves dividing my day into specific blocks of time dedicated to specific tasks or projects. By doing this, I'm able to focus entirely on one task at a time, eliminating distractions and promoting efficiency. Ruthless prioritization. Prioritization is key. I'm ruthless when it comes to determining what truly matters and what can be delegated or discarded. By focusing on the most important tasks and projects, I ensure I am always working on what will have the greatest impact. Long work hours. I believe in the power of putting in long hours when necessary. If there's an important deadline looming or a critical project at hand, I'm not afraid to work hard and put in those extra hours to ensure success. Minimal meetings. Meetings can be a significant drain on productivity. I aim to keep meetings to a minimum and only attend those that are absolutely necessary. This allows me to allocate more time to deep work and meaningful tasks. Multitasking. Many people discourage multitasking, but I've found that it can be highly efficient when done right. I often juggle multiple projects simultaneously, leveraging my focus on each one during time-blocked sessions. This way, progress is made across various fronts, setting aggressive deadlines. Ambitious goals require ambitious timelines. I make it a point to set aggressive deadlines, pushing myself and my team to accomplish tasks faster. This sense of urgency fosters productivity and keeps everyone focused on delivering results. Continuous learning. Learning is a never-ending journey. I embrace continuous learning, particularly in subjects directly related to my work. By staying informed and acquiring new knowledge, I can make better decisions and innovate more effectively. We hope you found these insights valuable and that they inspire you to reconsider your own approach to time management. Remember, by implementing techniques such as time blocking, ruthless prioritization, and setting aggressive deadlines, you too can unlock your potential and achieve remarkable success. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey towards